Seema Dental College and Hospital is a wonderful place and one of the finest campuses for a hospital. It was established in the year 2003 and is affiliated to Hemvati Nandan Bahuguna Gadwal University, Srinagar. The total constructed area covers a staggering 350,000 square feet. This includes the hospital, teaching facilities like lecture halls, auditorium, laboratories, the pathology center, the library, cafeteria, the residential facilities for students, faculty and support staff, sports and recreation center, swimming pool, the list is endless. The college offers 100 BDS seats and 27 MDS seats in various specializations, providing students with a range of options to pursue their dental education. Seema Dental College and Hospital provides advanced clinical labs equipped with the latest dental technology, offering hands-on training in orthodontics, endodontics, prosthodontics, and oral surgery. These labs, designed to simulate real-world clinical environments, ensure students gain practical experience under expert faculty guidance. The college is well maintained and equipped with modern tools and technology to keep pace with the contemporary world. It strives to provide high-quality education to its students. The college offers a variety of labs and training facilities where students can practice and enhance their dental education. Having explored all the labs and campus facilities, let us now discuss the other amenities provided by the college. These additional facilities play a crucial role in enhancing the overall educational experience for students. Seema Dental College and Hospital offers a variety of facilities, including an Olympic standard indoor swimming pool, a modern gymnasium, a health club, nutritious meals at the cafeteria, an on-campus Punjab National Bank ATM, computer and internet access in hostels, continuous electricity and clean water supply, a 5,000-line telephone exchange with ISDN and broadband, and detailed student updates for parents upon request. The college provides clean, well-maintained separate hostels for men and women. Are you enjoying the video? Please like and subscribe. Thank you.